So, as you can see, most of the sheep have gone out of here now. And I've just had to come and get Murphy's fly mask for him. Because obviously, as they do, they lose them. Now, someone was asking me the other week what a fly mask was. Well, if you can see my hand through the fly mask, through the netting. And basically it just keeps the flies and bright light away from their eyes, because their eyes are sensitive. But also it keeps all the flies, the midgets, the midgies and everything else away from them. Gives them a little bit more comfort, I suppose. So, with sheep farming, you get a lot of fun with the sheep, the ewes, the joys of them. You know, spectacular seeing the lambs run around all happy and go Larry and jumping for joy and everything else. Where you also get the downside to sheep farming. Obviously, since yesterday, it looks like a badger. Yeah, the ass is taken out of it. Looks like a badger has caught one of my lambs. Yeah, this is the sad side of farming. And not a pleasant thing that I've got to do to pick it all up and tidy it up. So, this is a dead lamb. Obviously since yesterday, since we've been down here. Yesterday morning. If you look at the backside on it. It's missing. I'd say the badger has claimed another. So yeah, unfortunately, this is the downside of farming, where now I've got to pick up this mess, tidy it all up. What a waste of a lamb. I think that was one of the first lambs born. So here's all the sheep that we moved yesterday. Most of these are all boys. So vast majority of these will all go to market. I'd say out of that bundle, 98% of them will go to market. Hopefully in next week or so. Let them get the grass down a bit and then we'll take them to market.
These are all the sheep that are in this field. Apple, don't. Hello, Trouble, that's not for you. No, that's Bono's feed you. You've got grass. 2 ewes in here. And there's Elvis. There you There you go, Bono. And your pheasants. I don't know why you're all trying to put your heads in the bucket. You've got plenty of grass. It's not like you're hungry. Crazy things.
So, yet again, you see the bad side of farming, the horrible side that nobody likes to deal with or see or smell. It's absolutely rancid, the smell. But we cleared it all up. She's in her little bag ready for collection. And she'll be picked up and taken away and disposed of. But unfortunately there's not a lot else we can do. We cleared up all the area around it with all the wall that was over the floor. The maggots, there are some on the floor, but the birds will have them. Yeah, they're not daft. The birds will go and get them now. They'll clear them up. It's Mother Nature looking after her own, I suppose. But yeah, that's about it really for today. We got to go and have a look at a farm, see what we can do there. It's quite a nice farm. Looking at it from what we've seen, it looks very nice. So yeah, thanks very much for watching, and we shall catch you later. Bye for now. Cheers, lads.